UDOMLYA, Russia. A state-owned nuclear power plant in Russia may soon fuel a Bitcoin mining hub. Late last month, Rosatom State Atomic Energy Corporation opened a mining farm near the Kalinin nuclear plant in UDOMLYA, 200 miles northwest of Moscow. The company spent more than $4.8 million building the 30-megawatt facility, according to Sergei Nemchenkov, the head of data centers and digital products at Rosatom, a Rosatom subsidiary. Rosatom isn't planning to mine itself, Nemchenkov said. Rather, it will capitalize on the opportunity to sell additional electricity to heavy users and rent space for their equipment, similar to a data center the firm built near the plant. Both data centers and miners are large energy consumers with a stable demand, Nemchenkov said. For us, it's a way to diversify. Rosatom is the first big government-related entity to embrace miners in Russia, the world's 11th largest economy according to the IMF and the World Bank. And with plans to eventually open 240 megawatts or more of its power from several locations to the industry, the company could become a notable player on the global market. To put that number in perspective, Chinese mining giant Bitmain's facility under construction in Rockdale, Texas, is expected to start with a capacity of 25 to 50 megawatts and eventually expand to 300 megawatts. Another facility being built in the same town would start at 300 MW and eventually go up to 1 gigawatt, both are claiming the title of world's largest. The Kalinin plant, built in 1974 and named after a Soviet party functionary, is another example of miners in Russia nesting close to old industrial sites, like the abandoned factories in Siberia that are attracting miners from all over the world. In UDOMLYA, a rectangular field of about square feet is expected to fit up to 30 containers, each with room for almost 400 individual mining computers. Field for a mining farm near the Kalinin nuclear power plant in UDOMLYA, for region, Russia/Anna Baydakova for Coindesk. Electricity for miners will cost 4 to 5 cents per kilowatt hour, not the cheapest price you can find around the globe, as rates lower than 4 cents can be found in some regions of China and Kazakhstan. But Rosatom wants to market the project, first of all, as a legitimate, reputable way to mine cryptocurrency, right on the energy producer's property. It is a totally white deal, Nemchenkov said. To find clients, Rosatom partnered with Ecosem, a mining hotel firm that serves as an intermediary between the venue and miners. Founded in 2017 in Armenia, Ecosem started by building a mining venue near the country's Hrazdan thermal power plant. So far, Ecosem has set up 2 containers in Hrazdan, but hopes to expand significantly as the potential capacity of the site is up to 200 megawatts, Ecosem managing partner Ilya Goldberg said. But the partnership with Rosatom, which he says is very comfortable for Ecosem, is even more promising. If Ecosem manages to fill the field in UDOMLYA fast, Rosatom will open other venues for mining, said Nemchenkov. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.